Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Canvas Editor on Leonardo AI. Canvas Editor is one of the key features on Leonardo AI, and Canvas Editor is a powerful image editing tool that allows you to make intricate adjustments to your images and remove unwanted elements or even generate new content using advanced in-painting and out-painting techniques. So this is my canvas editor from Leonardo AI. At the left side, you can see a pen option. Then the next one is select. Then following the select one, there is draw mask, erase, sketch, add text, upload image, and then delete canvas history. Now in this canvas, you can just zoom this canvas or Now in this canvas, you can zoom out by clicking on this plus sign here, and you can also zoom, you can zoom, oh,